Sinasamantala na ng ilang Kapuso stars ang Semana Santa para makapagpahinga at makapag-reflect. Ang kanilang Holy Week plans alamin sa unang chika ni Nelson Canlas.
Humbling and grounding experience daw para kay The Master Cutter leading lady Max Collins ang pagbabakasyon sa tabing dagat.
Baka Palawan. Bakasyon sa Boracay. For now, since I know it head to toe, I want something new. We just want to be at the beach. That to me is vacation. Is beach life.
Heading towards the sea rin ang pamilya ni Kapuso actress Bianca King.
Everybody loves the beach, but also we want our kids to be nature-loving people. So we want to expose them to sunlight, seawater, sand.
Nature-loving naman ang trip ni PBB Celebrity Collab Edition alumna Charlie Fleming.
I'm planning to just go out maybe in Laguna, baka mag-falls kami with my friends, hoping to bring some other people too. Parang we just want to get a group of fun people together.
Kasama ang kanya-kanyang pamilya naman, sina Julian San Jose at Raver Cruz sa Semana Santa.
I'm going to Vietnam with my family for this Holy Week. Tapos ito naman si Ray, he's also having vacation then with his family.
Staycation lang kami with my family na. Pero dito lang sa Pinas. So family time muna.
Si Joe Berry, sticking to Pinoy tradition sa Semana Santa.
Pag Holy Week po kasi talaga, ang ano talaga ng family is magsama-sama lang and mag-pray. Hindi kami talaga yung like nagbabakasyon. Si mama, nagluluto si mama ng kakanin.
Ito ang unang balita. Nelson Canlas para sa GMA Integrated News.
Gusto mo bang mauna sa mga balita? Mag-subscribe na sa GMA Integrated News sa YouTube at tumutok sa unang balita.